This tutorial is going to look at how we might set up a custom airspace file if we need it. We're here looking at the north of England, and Hawes in particular doesn't have any airspace. We're just going to use that as our example. In Flxc, we're going to draw a route. In this simple example, we'll just draw a four-sided shape, and then we'll convert that into airspace. So we drag and place the points as we would if we're just planning a route in Flxc. The one key point is to use the close flight button to make sure that the first and last points are the same, because that's necessary for when you're drawing a piece of airspace. When we've created the route in Flxc, we're going to download that in the format GEO format file, and then we're going to edit it. Once you've downloaded the file, open it in your favorite text editor, and then we're going to edit it to turn it from a waypoint file into an airspace file. Firstly, you've got to define the class of airspace. In this case, it's ARFA restricted. Then you name it, and we're calling it Wensleydale airspace. Then we put a lower altitude and an upper altitude on it. AH is higher and AL is lower. As you can see, I've just done that the wrong way around to begin with. We've set the lower altitude as surface and the upper as 5,000 feet AMSL. And then we edit each line in the waypoint file. We've got to put DP, which means define polygon point, and then we just edit the coordinates. As you can see, you've got to add colons in there, and you've got to move the north and west subscript to after the lat and long respectively. It's a little bit laborious doing this by hand, so in a subsequent video I'll show you a little Excel spreadsheet that would do this a lot quicker, which is useful if you've got a few airspaces to create. Once we've created the airspace file, we're going to have a look how it appears using the XC Globe utility to display the airspace file. The file looks good in XC Globe, so now we copy it to our flight computer, put it in the relevant directory, activate that piece of airspace, and check how it displays in your preferred software. For me, that's XC Track, and here we can see it's looking good.